It says Saras arrives in Delhi. It is a Mela. It's talking about all women, millionaire ladies out here, Lakpati Didis, who are these self-help groups from different parts, different states of India. This is UP. So that is a whistle, water whistle. See. So that is a water whistle. Water whistles. You put water in that and blow. And you get different sounds. These are the water whistles. So we have the different pavilions. It's written, experience the best of rural India in the heart of city. And that is Saras Mela Delhi 2025. Well, this is the pavilion which it's written Lakpati Didi Pavilion, which means millionaire ladies pavilion with their own dint of their hard work. They've made it big. They've earned. Just to promote their wares, they are given a pavilion which is free of cost, but they have to register under Saras, I think, and come here. It is Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India, Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana, National Rural Livelihood Mission, especially for women self-help groups. This is the Haryana Pavilion. Lot of leather work, Haryana Pavilion. Lot of woodwork out here. Look at these. That's the one. Rolling pins, mortar and pestles, some for the pressure points. To activate your pressure points, you have these, all made of wood. This is from Gujarat. Look at these, hand embroidered. Eatables from Gujarat. It's just a beginning, not much of a crowd as yet. That's Haryana self-help groups, SHGs, helping the ladies, their livelihood. The government helps these ladies with their business ventures. Many of these pavilions, many stalls like this. Not much for. The famous Kolhapuri chappals from Maharashtra. Look at these. It's known as a fair, but very little, there's less of fanfare. A lot of pavilions. This is a playpen for the kids here. Carpets. It's a food court here. quite a spread. Of course, it's a Tyagaraja Stadium out here. It's in there. These are the different eating stalls out here. This is Chhattisgarh. From Chhattisgarh. From Himachal Pradesh. So I'm just going to show you, these are all the various pavilions from various states. So if you want to sample any dish, particular dish from any, say Jammu Kashmir or Madhya Pradesh or Odisha, you can come here. So these are mushrooms inside these leaves. So these are boiled and these are burnt. Yeah. So that is the speciality of, this is sweet and this is savory. And that savory, that means this is lau and lauki and lau on So this is dushta made with chawal, with rice and dal, lentils. Okay. And of course these are samosas. This is Rajasthan, this is Besan Gatta. Yeah. Jalebis. Moong dal, jaggery, coconut, ghee and cashew. It's the most delicious sweet. Yeah. Okay, thanks. That's from Tamil Nadu. So we have this special
Uttarakhand thali,
okay.
in which we get this pahadi dal.
Yes.
That is called Gahat ka dal. And then we have the raita, pahadi raita. And in this we just grind rye, and it has a good flavor of rye in it. Bagan bharta, this is bhang dana chutney, pahadi namak, lesu roti. Lesu roti is different than the common roti. And then we have rice.
What is lesu roti?
Lesu is sort of a corn.
Okay.
It's a different kind other than wheat. Then we have dal mithai. Over here we have dal roti. This is bedu roti. So in this roti there is a stuffing of dal. And then we have kheer. It's jhumra kheer over there.
This is a jhumra kheer. Palak patta chaat. So you put palak and make a chaat of it. Palak leaves. That's spinach. This is from Punjab. So look at that. Wherever you go, whichever place, food courts are the magnets, greatest attractions. This is Andhra Pradesh. Let's see what do they have here. So we have these biryani pots out here from Andhra Pradesh. So the famous Hyderabadi, no, Andhra Matka biryani. You have these fish, prawns. These are crabs. This is pomfret, chicken, and everything just delicious, right? So this is sweet with sesame seeds and gur. Okay. And I'm standing at a pavilion. So black rice we have here, and with that they made some. This is kheer. Black rice with milk. Jaggery coconut laddus. People at various tables here. So well, I'm here at the Punjab Pavilion, and this is a famous chicken tikka. Yeah. This is butter rice, chicken, dry chicken. Mango masala chicken, just yummy, she says. Chicken kebab, 2 piece for 100 rupees.
200 Bangda fish fry.
This is which?
Mangalore Bangda fish fry.
Mangalore Bangla. Bangra.
Fish fry.
Bangra fish fry. Okay.
And neer dosa and coconut chutney.
How do you make it? Coconut chutney?
Coconut.
हाँ.
Dosa. Moong dal.
हाँ.
Sorry. chana dal.
Chana dal.
And green chilli.
Yes.
Soda ginger.
Little ginger.
Garlic.
Garlic.
Coconut.
Coconut. And you get the yummy chutney.
Yeah, yes.
So it is India on your plate from different regions. So I'm here at Arunachal Pradesh, and see, that is the momo, where the momos are being cooked. Momo cooker. Taking out the momos from there. These are the momos. That's the dip. Hindup. Hindup. Okay. So this is a dish which is made of?
Maida.
Okay.
Potato.
Potato
And vegetables mix.
And vegetables mix. And it's like a soup. Yeah.
Or extra, अगर non-veg खाता तो chicken डालते हैं.
Okay. And we can also use chicken otherwise in this. West Bengal, this is a katla fish. It's a pomfret. This is chicken curry. This is sarso hilsa. Very delicious. Well, that's the Hyderabadi biryani right from Hyderabad, Telangana. Right? Let me see pieces. The most delicious smell, aroma that I'm getting. Look at the huge dish in which it's made. Yeah. So I've come to Bihar. This is litti chokha. So this is litti. Where's the chokha? And that's chokha. So litti is being baked in this. No, in the litti, what do you put?
चने के सत्तू रहता है.
Yeah, it is a crushed gram sattu, it's known as. And then they put ghee in it and make it, right? Yes. Sikkim again, we have momos. Momos.
इसका नाम बोलता है ये वेज नॉन वेज में और ये वेज में.
इसमें दोनों है, वेज और नॉन वेज. शफेले.
Shafale, okay.
और ये वेज मोमोज.
These are veg momos. Wachapa, biryani, rice.
Okay.
And this is LAPHING, laughing.
Laughing.
Yeah,
Laughing.
laughing. Veg. At Sikkim, these are its dishes. This is chicken shab bhale. I got it. So here at the food court, again making of the Lakpati Didis. This is what it is. Sikkim. Well, this is what is litti chokha. That is the litti and this is the chokha. Yummy, right? That's West Bengal trying out some garments or fabrics to see if it suits.
और उसको समझ में आ जाएगी.
Jute work. Look at these beautiful dolls with jute. Made with jute. So pretty.
ये खराब तो नहीं होंगे जल्दी, ये हो जाएंगे.
Look at different jute.
Thank you so much.
Dolls.
ऑनलाइन हो जाएंगे ना.
On a rocking chair made with bamboo. Made with bamboos. Crochet flowers. This is West Bengal saris. Not much of a crowd as yet. This is bow and arrows. Look at that. These are the arrows. Look at this. This is an arrow. Look at these bows and arrows. And you can try, they made this also 70 rupees for 6 arrows, for 6 practice. And then if you like it, then you can buy it. Different various prices. So you put water. This is from UP. Look at this. All tableware, etc. So here we have this guava juice. Look at that. This is the emblem of India. Look at the saris there. Spring sari. Look at these lampshades. These are from Karnataka. Various lampshades. Kalankari painting on these lovely lampshades out here. On leather, it's hand painted. Beautiful. So Karnataka traditional art, Satara?
Chittara.
Chittara. Okay.
Chittara traditional art.
Chitara traditional. Hassa Chitara. Hasse Chitara traditional art. So this is what it is, right? This is what it is. This is what it is, and this is what you're doing. Yeah, bana rahe ho. Okay. This is the brush, and look at her. And it's made with these.
Made from jute.
Made from jute. Look at that, so beautiful.
These are all made out from jute.
Every one of these are made out of jute, she says, and we have the artist sitting here herself. The self-help group, Hassa Chitra Traditional Art. What's your name?
Saraswati Shurnaik.
Okay, right from Karnataka state. Wow. And this is all what you've done everything yourself? Wow, beautiful. Fantastic. This is millet's milkshake, right?
Yes.
So which millet?
It has like 3 millets: foxtail millet, little millet, and koda millet.
Once again, which millets?
Foxtail millet,
Foxtail?
little millet, and koda millet.
Okay.
Along with that, we have dry fruits also: almond, cashew, pista, and we have added elaichi for the flavor.
Yeah.
And for sweetness, we have added organic jaggery.
Organic jaggery.
Yeah.
Okay. So this becomes like a milkshake.
It becomes a shake powder, so
You can put it in your milk.
milk. Yes.
Wow. So it is for good health.
Yeah.
Millet malt.
Yeah.
So all of this is the same thing.
No, ma'am. It's
Okay.
a different one. Actually.
Okay, this is for eating.
This is for also for drinking only,
Yeah.
but it has different process for that. Like you have to put, it's in powder form actually.
Okay.
So you have to put like 2 spoons of this powder into the 250 ml of water, and you have to like boil it for like 2 to 3 minutes. So while boiling, you should make sure that you stir it well, because there shouldn't be any lumps coming out of it. So after that, you can add little bit of salt in it, and you can just have like a drink.
किस चीज़ के लड्डू है?
A finger millet का लड्डू है, रागी का.
Maggi ka.
जी.
Okay, all this is made from this grass, right? This is the grass that is made from. And then they are colored and they are made like this. These are baskets. These are small baskets. And they've come all the way from Uttar Pradesh. Okay. You have a mannequin standing all from Jharkhand saris. These are jewelry, designer jewelry. From Jharkhand. Photo of the entry. They're having some dance going on here.
क्या शानदार प्रस्तुति थी। एक बार जोरदार तालियों से एक बार वापस कलाकारों का सम्मान बढ़ाए। तालियों की आवाज नहीं आई, अभी तो शुरुआत हुई है आज के सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम की। एक बार जोरदार तालियां बजाएं। अब हम थोड़े से विराम पर जाएंगे, हमारे कलाकारों को भी आराम चाहिए होता है, तो 20
So there we are, I'm ready to go out now. They have this entertainment program also going on in this hall. Photo op, look at these ladies out here.